So hello guys, Alethea here. Came to show you some nice little accessories that I found at the $1.25 store. This little stand right here is just a regular little stand. And you can place your patterns or whatever you would like in these stands. This one I had for a while. I found at the $1.25 store as well. And also the sewing clips. I found these little old-fashioned clothespins at the dollar store as well. You can clip your fabric with them. These are going at about $5 or more for these sewing pins versus this little pack of pins for $1.25 at your Dollar Tree. You can pin your pattern to your material or fabric, and they look like this. So $5 versus $1.25. And they also come in larger sizes, just like the sewing clips. Just wanted you to see that, and these will come in handy when you don't want to put holes in your clothes or your fabric when you're constructing your garment. Use them just like you used to clip, but for less money. 2 sizes. Very neat.